Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the AMG E63S with all-wheel drive and a clean title. It's a 4-liter V8. And that is sounding smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. You see it does have blacked out logos. And it does have LED headlight surrounds, and if any of those LEDs appear to flicker, that is the refresh rate of the camera that does that. And you see that it does have painted alloy wheels, gold AMG brake calipers. They're carbon ceramic. It does have dual exhausts. There's your trunk space, and you actually have your kit beneath it. That matte black is just gorgeous. You see that it does have a sunroof. This one's on its way to a Blue Star inspection. That's a third-party inspection company that will put it up on a rack, take pictures of the undercarriage and such that I can't. So you'll be wanting to take a look at that inspection. I love the ambient lighting in this vehicle. You see that it does have the black leather and yellow stitching. It does have the racing seats. Right here you see that these rear seats are heated and that you do have Burmester sound. Okay, and as we come over here, then I'll just go ahead and show you this VIN right here, which the last 4 digits are 4562. The AMG branding right there on the seats. You see that you have both heated and cooled seats. And this carbon fiber does wrap around the entire front of the cabin, and then it goes through those passenger doors in the rear. And I have to say, this is one of my favorite dashes in production. And right here you see that it has 45,590 miles on this vehicle. As you come down here, you got paddle shifters, stereo controls. So you see that I'm turning that on and off. I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume up. And that sounded great. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that down and continue on. And then you've got your push to talk and your shifter right here. As you come over here, you have your comfort controls, and you'll have your cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet right there. We can close that up. Once again, all this is carbon fiber. And you can jump directly to various screens with the buttons that you see here. So you can control this also with this. This controls your infotainment. You can go directly into sport modes. What you see is I press this button, you can go directly into Sport Plus, Comfort, and such with this button. And you can turn those on and off. There are your climate controls. And then you can also go into your Sport Plus for your exhaust. Here are your light settings as well. There are your vehicle settings, but your light settings, your ambient light, you can change the colors of that obviously. And then, so we can go to the color, and right now you've got it on purple, and you actually have a scale here, which I absolutely love. And so you go down even to the yellow to match your stitching, but in the meantime we'll just go ahead and leave it in this purple color. All right, and then so we'll go ahead and back out of that, and then you have your consumption mapping, your vehicle settings, your operator's manual. This is your belt adjustment, automatic mirror folding and such. Super convenient if you park in a parking lot. And then your parking assist, traffic sign assist, cam and parking pilot. Those are very cool. If you do not know what those are, just go ahead and watch YouTube tutorials on any of these. Your active blind spot assist, your active brake assist. So a lot of very good features in there that we don't have time to go through. So as I mentioned, if there's any of this you don't know, just go ahead and watch a tutorial on them. Then there's your dynamic select as well. and your vehicle data and engine data. So, all right, and then we can jump directly into, there's your engine data right there. Okay, so we can jump directly into navigation, and you see that it is a very large navigation format. Once again, these LCDs, if they appear to flicker at all, they don't flicker to the human eye. Okay, so we can also bounce over to radio, of which your sources for radio are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then we can go to connect to your phone as well. All right, then we can go back to your car settings, and then we can go to your home menu. So it's trying to save. We don't want to save it. We just want to get out of there. Okay, so you can jump over to your system, your Mercedes Connect, your phone, your radio, or your navigation in this menu. And then we can go ahead and put it into reverse, and I'll show you some of these camera options. You do have 360-degree cameras. There's your backup camera, and you can change the configuration at any time. And I'll just go ahead and put it back into park. As we come up here, you're going to have your controls for your sunroof, which you can see is absolutely massive and gorgeous. There's not a bad seat in the vehicle. And that dash is just beautiful. Okay, so we'll go ahead and hop out now. Oh, I did not mention there is a head-up display. Right there, it has your directions on it, and also has your miles per hour. And that about wraps it up for this Mercedes. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.